Hey everyone, you're sitting in a bustling coffee shop, surrounded by people tapping away on their phones. A young woman across the table catches your eye as she laughs while checking her phone. You wonder what she's doing that's so entertaining. Hook. Ever wondered what it's like to have a bank that actually understands you? A bank that doesn't treat you like a number but as a valued customer? Well, today, we're diving into the world of Monzo, a digital bank that's revolutionizing the way we manage our finances. Building context. Cut to a montage of people using their Monzo app, checking balances, making payments, and setting goals. In a world where traditional banks are slow, clunky, and often frustrating, Monzo offers a fresh, modern approach to banking. But what sets it apart? Let's break it down. Benefit 1. Simplicity and convenience. Show a side-by-side comparison of a traditional bank's app versus Monzo's. Gone are the days of long lines and tedious paperwork. Monzo's app is designed to be intuitive and easy to use. You can open an account in minutes, view your transactions in real time, and make payments with a simple tap. It's like having your bank in your pocket. Benefit 2. Budgeting made easy. Visualize a person using Monzo's budgeting features. One of the biggest challenges for many people is managing their finances. Monzo makes it easy to track your spending, set budgets, and save towards your goals. With features like pots, like virtual savings accounts, you can effortlessly put money aside for specific purposes, whether it's a vacation, a new gadget, or an emergency fund. Benefit 3. Fee-free banking. Show a montage of people using Monzo's fee-free services. Who doesn't love saving money? Monzo is a fee-free bank, meaning you won't be hit with hidden charges or excessive fees. From ATM withdrawals to foreign transactions, you can enjoy your banking without the worry of unexpected costs. Benefit 4. Round-the-clock support. Visualize a person chatting with Monzo's customer support. Need help or have a question? Monzo's customer support team is available 24/7 to assist you. Whether you prefer live chat, email, or social media, you can always get in touch and receive prompt and helpful responses. Benefit 5. Community and community features. Show a group of people discussing finances in a Monzo community forum. Monzo isn't just a bank, it's a community. Join the millions of people who are already using Monzo and connect with like-minded individuals. Share tips, ask questions, and learn from others' experiences. Conclusion. Return to the coffee shop scene, but this time, the woman is smiling even wider as she uses her Monzo app. So, if you're tired of the same old banking experience and ready to embrace something new, Monzo is definitely worth considering. With its simplicity, convenience, budgeting features, fee-free services, and supportive community, it's no wonder why so many people are switching to Monzo. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.